So this is Nasdaq. Uyangithola. We back at it with another video. It's the GOAT. It's the one and only God over all things. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So yeah, guys, this is Nasdaq. And actually with Nasdaq, bro, we're gonna see we have a diversions stiff compared to US 30. You feel me? You smell me? So yeah, guys, so we're gonna look for the recent high, recent low. As you can see, man, we have a range here, and this range broke structure to the downside. The big structure to the downside, you can see there. If you peep nicely, you can see the structure was broken and stuff and shit. So now, what are we looking for? The high of the range, the low of the range. Then we can try and peep if this range has a nice 90% and a 50%, just to see if we can get and formulate any trades within this range, as we have just mitigated the other form of liquidity, which is internal liquidity. Internal liquidity gave a fee too. When I talk about that, I'm talking about the value gaps, the imbalances, the inside lows, you see when you see your order blocks, all your things like those internals, your breaker blocks, that's an internal. Yeah, so here you can see the big range has a 90% and a clean one, bro. Come on, my brother. This one we could have just used and sold it queen. But I'll show you how to get a confirmation on the lower time frame. Because this is the weekly time frame. Yes, you can trust, but one thing for sure, my brother, must remember, big risk. So here we can see the 50%, which gives us a nice level that we can target if we do get those short positions. Peep this one. I'm telling you, this one is like a break out of the matrix, boy. In 90%, price moved below, but you can see there's a swing there. If you break that swing, that's a good confirmation to go low. Plus, one thing that I like also, there's a gap there. There's a vacuum there. You see price opened and closed at two different places, opening up a gap there. So price has a magnet that can draw towards that level. Trust me, bro. See, what did I say about the previous week high and low? Here we took out the previous week high, creating a divergence compared to the US 30. The US 30 didn't take the previous week high. It's respected 90%. But this guy, what does he do? He runs the high, comes back inside. Now we got an idea. So what can we expect? Okay, I can see also the previous day high and low. You see? Telling you, CRT is crazy, guys. I'm gonna mark out the previous day high and low also, just to show you all. We got a crazy strategy that we are using. This strategy is fire. Explaining everything, I'll be doing that in my course, guys. I'll be selling a course. I'll be selling it. I wanna sell it. I wanna move like the other. Hey guys, you see that big guys, like I'll say, like I'll formulate like a trading strategy properly formulated to sell to you guys so that you can buy abo namin zami against coin fit against scamming. So what can we see here? The low needs to be broken for us to confirm sales. Quite simple, right? Yes. We just need to see like a change in state of delivery or break of structure, market structure shift, you see, and there's ways to see them and stuff and whatnot. And then we see a down movement, it will go down, smack down. That thing needs to go down. If it does break there, that's what we can expect, you see. And then, yeah, bro. Simply just that. I don't look for much, bro. I just look for these simple things on the market. And then if I get them, I own. If the market doesn't respect what I'm expecting, I stay out because I don't want to blow. I'm not a blow job. So yeah. There's certain things that I know that help me to get other trades if these don't work. But yeah, see you guys on the next video. Away.